Hi guys, how are you doing? So now we will go to the front end part where we will program the user interface of all notifications screen. Okay, we are opening our Xcode and we will search for the new view controller, which will be of type table view controller. Table view controller, that is the one. So we'll simply drag it to our main storyboard. And then this table view controller, right at the top, will go to the editor, then embed in navigation controller. Okay, so navigation controller, this is as we want. Okay, and this is our tab bar controller. We now need to make a new view controller a part of this tab bar controller. So what we do, make a single click on your tab bar controller, scroll down to the side where you can see your new table view controller. From tab bar controller, hold Control left mouse click, drag to the newly installed table view controller, and here select relationship segue, one of the view controllers, which is just a view controller. Okay, very good. So this is how we made a new table view controller a part of our tab bar controller. Okay, now first of all I will zoom it. And this is our new item, which we just now integrated. Hold this icon and move it in the middle. This is how it is in the Facebook. So great. And here we will have to install the icon for that one. What we will do is just we will now copy new icons, which you have already must have downloaded. All of these icons, these are all related to our notification screen. We will just simply copy all of them, going to assets and copying everything here. Okay, very good. Total must be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So this is how it must be there for all of the screen sizes, automatically adjusted icons. Okay, excellent. So we're now coming back to our main storyboard, and we will now assign the icon for this tab bar. Okay, to assign the icon, we need to go to our navigation controller. Here we go. The image which will be there, it will be notifications. That is the one. Okay, and then we want to remove the title at all. Then we need to make this icon centered. Okay, as you see here at the top, here we have made it centered in the size inspector by making by reducing the bottom gap or padding by 10 pixels. The same we'll do here. Select your tab bar item here in the newly installed view controller. Bottom here might make minus 10 pixels. So now it moved down as you can see. Okay, very good. So now we need to allocate one more icon, which will be notifications selected icon. Notifications underscore selected icon. Okay, so after that, we need to make the size of this bar. We need to make this one, the bar tint. It will be our Facebook brand color. That is the one. That is the one. So this is our Facebook brand color. And then we need here to write a title. Here, select your now table view controller, not navigation controller. Select table view controller. Select navigation item here. Go to the attributes inspector and then title write notifications. Okay, now we're coming back to our navigation controller. Select tab bar item. Go to the attributes inspector, go to the title color, here open and select white color. Now it will be white. Very good. And then after that, we will have to work with the attributes of the table view. Okay, first of all, select this table view. Go to the attributes inspector. Selection here, make no selection. Okay, the project is built, and here we go. This is our notification screen. We can tap on this, and this is the exact icon like in the Facebook which we have created and developed. So that is beautiful. That is actually what we wanted. Amazing. Okay, so now you can do it in the two ways. First, table view, select this, you can make no selection, or what I would prefer, make your single selection, select your cell, selection, here color, it means a color, make none. Okay, let's now work with the attributes of this cell. First of all, as identifier here, reusable identifier, right here, cell. Then let's extend cell to 100 pixels. This will be the height of the cell. Then let's find an object which called UI image view. And here we need to drag this image to the cell, something like this. Then the size, width and height we can make 75 by 75. Let's align it something close to that one. Go to the attributes inspector. By default, the placeholder, make it user.png. Okay, then we will find a label, a simple label. Drag this label here. This label will contain a message which is related to the notification. Okay, it's too close, so I'll just... Okay, this one seems fine. Okay, then we're going to the attributes inspector. Here, font, we are selecting the custom one. Don't worry guys, this is something which will programmatically customize it. Some of the part of the label will be bold, another one will be, let's say, regular. And here we will write first name, last name. Now is your friend. It's just an example. And here lines, make it 0. Expand your label to the height of the image so the entire message can be seen here. Okay, brilliant. After that, if you have noticed you can check even now, the official Facebook app, it has here one icon. It has here one icon, which is also a rounded icon, which shows what type of notification is that. So I myself, I like this way. It just looks cute. So this is what we will do also. So search for the UI image view and simply drag it here. And let's resize it to something like 25 to 25. Here X output, let's say 10, so I can find it. Something like this. Or okay, something like this. I made it exactly, I put it first here, then I made 1 2 3 4 5, and down also 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then there is a no placeholder. As the background, I'll select the Facebook color. Or here you can, let's say, select a cover if you want. You can select that one. Okay, so now this is our label. Now we'll have to make an auto layout for this. Select your image. Here, make top left width and height. Add constraints. Then select your label. Make left, top, right, and bottom. Okay, before label, let's do it for the icon. I will undo it by clicking Command Z. I'll clear these constraints. Then select your label. Here, select your new icon. Hold Control, left mouse click, drag vertical space. Then the same, hold Control, left mouse click, drag to the image. Horizontal space. Then to this icon we are adding width and height to fix this width and height. Then we will add the constraints to the label left, top, right, and the bottom. Add constraint. Make sure that your number of lines here is 0. Okay, so we have configured the cell, which is actually a custom. One more thing which we need to do here, like in the Facebook separator line, here left means 15 means here this is the separator line. It starts with the gap of 15 pixels. In the Facebook it is 0, so this is how it looks in the Facebook. So we'll use the same approach for this. Okay, so then we have that one. Then with the table view, there is also we have done programming and working with the attributes of the table view. So that's it. Now we'll go to the programming part, guys. Good job, and let's move further.